Introducing today our latest model of riveting machine. We have also provided pneumatic lubricator with FRL oil with a set pace which lubricates the whole pneumatics of the machine every 5 minutes, and a separate manual pump lubricator which gets through to every linkage of the machine. As you can see, these flower rivets gets placed in no time. We have also provided it with washer type riveting mode. The upper cylinders are called feeder system, which speeds up the riveting process in automatic mode requiring little to no workforce. Thank you for your interest and time. Your support means a lot to us. For more insights into our new products and efficiency-driven solutions, subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest advancements.